Mastering contrast and emphasis. Unleash the power of antonyms. Hello, language explorers. Today, we're delving into the fantastic world of antonyms. Antonyms are not just about learning new words, but they can also be a powerful tool for enhancing your writing. We're going to explore how you can use antonyms to create contrast and emphasis in your writing. Let's get started. Before we dive into their usage, let's do a quick recap. Antonyms are words with opposite meanings. They come in handy when you want to describe the contrast between two ideas or things. For example, the word hot has an antonym, cold, high, has low, and happy has sad. So far, so simple. One of the most common uses of antonyms is to create contrast. This means highlighting differences between two things. It's like painting a picture with words. You show both sides of the coin to give your reader a full understanding. For instance, John is generous, unlike his stingy brother Mike. Here, generous and stingy are antonyms that create a stark contrast between John and Mike. Along with creating contrast, antonyms can also be used to add emphasis. This is especially useful when you want to stress a particular point or make a concept more memorable. For example, the journey was not easy, it was extremely difficult. In this sentence, the use of the antonym difficult for easy really drives home the point about the journey's severity. Now that we understand how antonyms can create contrast and emphasis, it's time to apply it to our writing. Using antonyms can enrich your vocabulary and make your writing more engaging and vivid. Let's see an example. The dessert was sweet, but the lemon zest added a delightful bitterness. Here, sweet and bitterness are antonyms that create a beautiful contrast, bringing the description to life. And that's it, folks. Today we've explored how antonyms can be much more than just words with opposite meanings. They can be used as a powerful tool to create contrast and emphasis in your writing, making it more engaging and impactful. So next time you write, remember to unleash the power of antonyms. Keep practicing, and happy writing. We hope this video has been helpful to you. Stay tuned for more tips on mastering English vocabulary. See you next time.